Good morning, YouTube. Hey, our project for the day is wrapping the fairings of my motorcycle with this vinyl sticker, and it should be a fairly easy process. And the things that you're going to be needing are obviously this a heat gun and squeegee and you know, scissors, cutters, and things like that to you know, cut the perfect size for this. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing first is obviously I'm going to take off all the fairings that I'm going to be wrapping, wash them, and make sure that it doesn't have any you know, like oil or sweat or whatever other things that are there, and make sure that they're smooth and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to wash down with detergent, and then we're going to proceed with the wrapping. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. All right, the very first thing that we need to do is to remove this bracket on top of the tank. Okay, so it's I've done this process before, and the good thing about this is that when you're removing the fairings, you can also look at your coolant reservoir, see if you have enough coolant. Okay, so after you undo that, just make sure that you catch the what do you call these spacers that comes with this. Okay, so this thing has 4 screws that you need to take off or out. It's really simple, very simple. I can hear that squeaking. Maybe I need to put oil on this thing too when I put it back later. Okay. There you have it. It's off. Okay. The next thing that comes off is this lock right here, or screw right here, and you can use another Allen wrench. Okay. It's a pretty simple process, guys. There's 2 of these. And then open up your seat because there's a screw there. $10mm. As you can see, it's already starting to loosen up. One on each side. So the fun part begins. see this part right here connects to the inside. So once you pop that out, you should be able to pull the other one already. And these two right here are joined by this. Okay, that's one piece out. There you have it. This is that part that I was talking about. Okay, see this part right here that joins the side fairing and the top tank fairing. Okay, you just take that off. Okay, and this is that part that connects to the back end right here. Okay, as I've mentioned a while ago, you can also check your coolant if you're still okay right there. Okay, because I don't know why they put that there that you can't see, but obviously it's good to check that while this thing is open. Okay, so we're going to proceed with washing the fairings. Hey guys, I just want to show you one of the additional reasons why I am wrapping my fairings. Okay, see this right here, these aren't scratches, these are sun damages. Okay, and then also that one. Okay, I you know, you saw me, I scrubbed it, but nothing was happening and stuff. This is not a scratch either, it's, see, it's flat. But the sun and the weather here are just so harsh that it really does these type of damages to the fairings. So all right guys, so we're finally set up here. Okay, these are the two things that I'm going to be wrapping, and this is the material for wrapping. I have my heat gun prepared already at the temperature that I want it to be, halfway. And I got my scissors, and I'm gonna be putting this thing on time lapse because this will take a whole lot of time. Okay, and I want to take my time, obviously, so that I can get this done correctly. And before, when I did this, I didn't have a heat gun, so I'm basically just using my hands and stuff. So as you can see, the sides are not perfect. Okay, so I'm planning to redo that. Okay, so